my friends, this is Rafal, and today we are going to do a science activity with you. But before I start, mommy or daddy, big brother or big sister has to help you if you want to do it at home. So what I'm going to need for this activity, I'm going to need cooking oil, any kind of cooking oil, and some water, and I put it in an old vase that I have, and some food coloring, different colors, and a butter knife just to stir it with. Okay, now we're gonna start, but before I start, remember, I have to cover my table with a tablecloth so I don't get it dirty. Okay, so now this is how it's gonna be. Gonna put some food coloring in the oil. And see, it's going down. And now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stir it. And then, this is how it's gonna look like. Gonna pour it on top of the water. Let's look at it and see what's gonna happen. Did you see that? There's red here. Oh, went down. Look at it, there's yellow too. Went down. Oh, there is a red here. Whoa, look at that. Colors, they start to go down. Oh, there's a green, there's red. It's like fireworks. Wow. Oh, look at all these colors. Of course, you can put more colors if you want. And you keep on looking. Oh, there are some more going down from here. Look at it. Ooh. Isn't that so much fun? Oh. Wow. Okay, and that's that, my friends. Ta-da! We did some underwater fireworks. That's how we're gonna call it. Okay? It was very nice and fun to do this activity with you. So now I'm gonna say bye to you, and I love you so much. Mwah!